Hi guys, here is your first little video tutorial on the topic that we're going to revise today, which is called factorising. You know there's 4 types of factorising. We have covered one of them, which is taking out what's common, or looking at the highest common factor, it's also called. So I'm going to do example 1 with you, which is this guy here. So example 1, factorize 2x plus 4. So what we do is we look at this and we try and see what are the common factors between 2 and 4. So what can I take out of here? I can only take out 1 or 2. And what can I take out of here? I can only take out 1 will go into it evenly, 2 will go into it evenly, and 4 will go into it evenly. So like just to make it easier, the factors of this would be 2 by 1, and the factors of this would be 1 by 4 and 2 by 2. Isn't that right? So I try and choose a common factor. So look, you can see clearly here that a common factor for both is 2. Because 2 will go into 2 evenly and 2 will go into 4 evenly. So that's your common factor. Common factor is 2, and please do this for me today exactly as I'm doing it. Common factor is 2. So off we go now. You take 2 and you open up your brackets. Now 2 into 2 goes once, and I'm left with my x. And 2 into 4 goes twice. And don't forget the sign in the middle. And that's your answer, guys. It's as easy as that. So I'll do 2 or 3 more examples with you, and then you can do some yourself, okay? So that's your answer there. Example 2. Can you still see on the screen? There we go, example 2. So now let's see. Get one more for you. 3a plus 6b, and you've been asked to factorize that. So what's the common factor? Well, factors of 3 would be 3 by 1. Factors of 6 would be 6 by 1 and 2 by 3. So what number can I see on the left and number can I see on the right? I see a 3 and I see a 3. So common factor, and I want you to write this down, okay? Do not go to the back of the book and write out the answers, please. Just do it exactly as I'm asking you to do it. So common factor is 3. So then 3 comes outside the bracket. And now 3 has come out because of this. So 3 into 3 goes once, and I'm left with the A. Take down your sign. 3 into 6 goes twice, and I'm left with the B. And that's my answer there. If you want to check, let's just say you're doing it and you're wondering, am I right or not? Easy way to check, very handy, is multiply out your answer. So let's do this. This is my answer. Let's multiply it out. That by that, 3a. That by that. Sorry, that should be a 2. That by that, 6b. Do you notice anything? This and this, it's the same. That should always happen. Your answer and your question should always be the same when you check it. So go over that one more time. You have your answer, you want to check it, multiply it out. That by that will give me 3a. That by that will give me 6b. And that check should always be the same as your answer. Okay, I'll do one more example with you, maybe a longer one, and then you should be okay, I hope. I will try, let's see. Okay, this is going to be example 3. Please put these examples into your notes copies. I hope that you're all good and keeping busy. Okay, so here we go. Common factor, 3 by 1. Factors of 6, 6 by 1, and 2 by 3. So what's the common number here? What's on the left and what's on the right? The 3 and the 3. However, look at the a's. I have an a and I have an a. Now a squared, you see this? A squared is a by a on the left. Maybe I'll do it up here. A and a. And over here I have a. So look, isn't there one a common to both? So I can take out an a as well. So I'm going to take out a 3. I'm going to take out an a. Now, 3 into 3 goes once, so 1 left over. I've taken out one of the a's, so he's gone, so I'm left with 1a inside. It's just 2 of them. Plus, don't forget the sign. 3 into 6 goes twice, and my a is gone outside the bracket. So like that a was taken out there, so that's gone. That's your solution, that's your answer. And let's just do the check one more time just to make sure you're okay with doing the check. You don't have to do the check, but you might like to. You have the time. Multiply in. 3 by 1 is 3. A by a is a squared. 3 by 2 is 6a. Now, do I have the same down here as I have at the start? Yes, I do. So we've checked it. Good. I'll do one more with you. So this is example 4. Okay. Now, what's common here? What number will go into this and into this evenly? Well, 2 won't go in. 3 won't go into this. 4 won't go in. 5 will go in. 5 by 3 is 15. And 5 by 7 is 35. So, common factor, 5. Okay, let's take out your 5. Oh, hold on a second. What about the x's? How many x's do I have here? I have 3 of them. I have x, x, x. And how many x's do I have here? 2. So how many x's can I take out? I can take out 2 from here and 2 from here. You must have the same on the left and the same on the right. So I have 2 x's here, 2 x's here. So now off we go. I'm going to take out the 5. And I'm going to take out 2 x's, which is x squared. Now, 5 came out. So 5 and 15 goes 3 times. I took out 2 x's, so how many x's am I left with? 1. Took down your sign. 5 into 35 goes 7 times. And I've taken out the 2 x's, so I have no x's left inside. That's my answer. Do you want to do the check? And then we're done. Multiply. 5 by 3, 15. X squared by x, x cubed. 5 by minus 7 is minus 35. And don't forget the x squared. Do I have the same here as I had at the start? Yes, I do. Perfect. Okay, guys, I want you to do your book, page 64 and 65, exercise 4.1. Numbers 1 to 40. You can space it out over the day. Let's see, no, sorry. There you go. You can space that over the day. Maybe do, actually, sorry, that should say 3 to 40. I'll put up a picture of the book anyway with the notes. Maybe do half of them before lunch and do half of them for homework. Okay, so you have maths at 10 o'clock. So do the first half then, an hour. You probably get them done in the hour. If you have a major problem, ask me. Please put your notes. I'm going to put all this up on the overhead, as a message. So good luck with this, and please try your best and just get it done because it's important. Okay, hope this helps.